It's Thursday morning, and we are supposed to be heading to Santa Cruz Island tonight at about midnight to meet up with some other people. So we're going to be doing an overnight passage tonight. But I was doing my walk around, which I do every time we take the boat out, and I discovered a missing bolt right here. So it looks to me like the threads are going to be okay, but I'm going to have to take one of these bolts out, make sure that the threads on the other side are good, and then I'm going to have to go source one of those bolts. And I have to do that before we can leave. True Value Hardware. These guys are a lifesaver. Let's go in and see if we can find those bolts. Much better. But the moral of the story is to check your boat before you go on a crossing. Early morning, it's 5 a.m. We had a little bit of a change in plans because of the weather last night. We were intending on leaving for Santa Cruz Island late last night, but we were leaving after a couple of other boats that were headed out of Long Beach, and they had to divert. We had a gale warning come up, and they had to turn around and head back to harbor because the conditions deteriorated so rapidly. So we made the decision to wait out the night. It's now 5 a.m. and we are headed to Cat Harbor over on Catalina today to see what the weather does, and then we'll make a decision over the next couple of days if we want to just hang out there or if we're going to try something different. So that's the plan today. Working our way through the harbor at night.
Just right here at the entrance, it's like super busy. We got 2 cruise ships, one coming in, one going out. This big container ship. We're just gonna follow out. I mean, you can see, look at that. And there's one offshore waiting to come in. And all the pilot boats. There's a couple of fishing boats out here too. I can't believe that big container ship. It's gigantic. Crazy. There's a pilot boat over there. Looks like a Princess. It came in earlier, and this one I believe it might be Princess too. Can't tell.
It is busy, busy, busy out here.
That's a cool shot right here, looking right alongside. It's like a Royal Caribbean. Friday morning, LA Harbor. guess it's bound to be a little busy.
Coast Guard received a report of a hazard to navigation in the vicinity of Angel's Gate. The hazard is a partially submerged tree with roots attached above the water. All mariners are advised to maintain a sharp lookout and transit the area with caution. This is United States Coast Guard to Los Angeles flying details.
Oh, there it is right there.
I see it.
That tree.
Holy shit.
That's big. Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm kind of glad we weren't out late dark.
Crazy amount of traffic.
It is crazy. God, I'm glad it wasn't foggy.
Yeah, no shit, right? Pretty cool though.
Really cool.
Beautiful.
The water looks so cool back here.
Yeah. That was crazy getting out of there.
Friday morning in LA Harbor.
You know, if you wanted to, we could head over that way and see if we can meet him and kind of buddy boat.
Okay.
You want to?
Yeah.
You got nothing better to do, right?
That's right.
Can you watch the helm and let me go check everything in the engine bay?
You bet. Got my sequence.
How's that for a morning? Man, what a gorgeous day. Does it get any better? These are the two container ships that we were following out of the harbor this morning. That was crazy traffic. Now we're paralleling them along the shipping lanes, headed north. We're going to head up towards the South Bay, see if we can't meet up with Keel Dragger. Then we'll make a left turn across the shipping lanes over to Cat Harbor. We're just chilling, enjoying the ride. I don't know how much of that you were able to see on the video, but we had two cruise ships coming in, one right behind the other, and these two container ships going out, one right behind the other. And we were trying to squeeze in behind them to make our way out the gate. We ended up sneaking in behind the Evergreen, followed them out right behind the pilot boats. Now we're just out here enjoying the morning. Sunrise coming up behind us. Carmen's out getting some good pictures. Quincy's enjoying himself.
Yeah, come here.
And we're going to be heading up towards the South Bay area in LA. And then at some point we'll make a left. Kind of bummed we're not making it out to Santa Cruz. We were really, really looking forward to doing that, but late last night the weather turned south on us. Ended up with a gale warning and some pretty significant weather winds going on up there for the weekend. So we had to make the command decision to divert. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go spend a couple of days over at Cat Harbor. We'll find something fun. Carmen is in her happy place over there. Oh, what a beautiful day. We are right at the Point Vincent marker, and way off in the distance there we can see Keel Dragger. So we shut the engines down and we're drifting. Figured we'd just hang out on deck and enjoy the morning.
Park your car there!
We don't want any.
What
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Use a little wind here, but other than that, I'll take it.
It'd be nice to have a little wind, but man, it was beautiful coming out once we got clear of all the ships.
Vanishing point's almost blinding me because it's sparkling. Beautiful.
What a beautiful morning.
I'm just going to fire up the engine and hopefully get a little wind
We'll follow you.
on impulse power while I'm wide open.
It's amazing after all that traffic that we had coming out of LA Harbor that it's just dead out here right now. Not a single boat in the shipping lanes but us. That boat has a lot of miles under its keel.
I like the reflection on the water of it. That's cool.
Oh, me too. That's beautiful. What a great shot.
That's a cool picture. This is cool. I like
Huh?
I like it. The water's like glass.
It's amazing. What a morning!
Great shot.
Like all that power right there.
Right?
That's a lot of power.
Hey Quincy, what you doing, buddy? You enjoying this? You can tell there was a lot of rain over the last few months because it is green, green, green. Beautiful. I'm thinking in a couple of days we'll just do a little circumnavigation around Catalina Island, head back down towards either White's or Avalon. I'm guessing Avalon will be crowded this weekend, but we can go take a peek. If it's too crowded, we'll go to White's for a night. As you round the west end of Catalina Island, there's no big reveal. Just a subtle opening in the coastline, and then almost quietly Catalina Harbor comes into view. But what makes this place unforgettable is the peace and the hills. The hills rise steep and unpolished, carved by time and weather. Layers of earth tones, deep greens and browns. Every ridge catches the light differently. In the morning, they feel calm and almost gentle. By midday, the contrast sharpens, every line defined, and at sunset, the entire landscape glows. There's no city noise here, no rush, just a slight breeze brushing the hillsides, water against the hulls, and a stillness that settles in the moment you arrive. That's exactly why we consider this our favorite anchorage on Catalina. Because this isn't just a place you stop, it's a place you feel, a place that you can enjoy. And every time we drop the hook here, it reminds us exactly why we started this journey in the first place. Before we wrap this one up, we wanted to share something kind of personal.
After we got home from this trip, we had to say goodbye to Quincy.
He'd been living with a degenerative heart disease for a while.
But that doesn't make it any easier. He was with us through everything. Every move, every change, all the planning, the uncertainty, and the shift into this live-aboard life. Through all of it, he was the constant. He didn't care where we lived or what we were working toward. As long as we were together, he was home. The boat feels a little quieter now, but we're incredibly grateful he was part of the journey that got us here. So this one is for you, Quincy. Thanks for being our best shipmate.
The boat is empty, wind whispers low. I look for your shadow, where did you go? We dance on the deck with the ocean song, but now it's just echo, and I carry on wrong. Oh, Quincy, my heart aches in the silence of the sea. Memory we made will forever be with me. Every sunset reminds me of the joy we shared, but my heart breaks softly 'cause you're not there. Oh, Quincy, my dear, till we meet again.